Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the floor mats in the 2013 Ford F-150. These are the Bronze Series floor mats in the color gray. It's an awesome looking set. Let's check them out. So again, this is the 2013 Ford F-350, the floor mat in the Bronze Series. You can see it's a double grommet floor mat. Right here you can see those grommets there to hook into that OEM post right there, so that helps hold it in place. The other thing that really holds it in place is these little nibs on the bottom here, and that grips that OEM carpet nice there. And then you can see there's that honeycomb shape right here. That's where the water and debris would be trapped inside there. When you need to clean it, you simply just pull it out and then wipe it off or rinse it off and then slide them back in. Here is the passenger side, so you can see, again, I didn't mention this earlier, but the color is gray. It's a nice looking gray. It goes nice with the black and gray tones inside this truck. And I'm gonna pour a little bit of water on just so you can see where that water would be captured. So you can see it goes into that honeycomb shape in there. And then when you wanna get that water out or clean things off, you're just gonna take that floor mat out like this, rinse that off, and then throw those mats back in, all ready to go again. Here's the rear mat. Again, this is the crew cab, so you can see the rear seats lift up and there's full coverage underneath it there. And you can see, again, there's those nibs underneath to hold it in place, and you can slide that whole thing out if you need to clean it, or just take a little broom and brush that out right there. Again, all the debris and water would be trapped inside these honeycomb shapes right here. Great looking mat back here and great coverage on the backside. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you want to see more products like this that we've reviewed today, you need to go to coversandcamo.com. Again, we are your source for custom seat covers. If you have a truck, UTV, car, SUV, maybe another vehicle, you need to go check us out, coversandcamo.com. We look forward to building you an awesome looking set of seat covers and maybe some other products to protect that interior. Again, coversandcamo.com.